Hello my dear children of class 1. So children, we are back and I hope you have enjoyed your holidays. So let's begin our class with revision of common nouns and special nouns, and then we will do some written work in your English grammar book, that is on page 90. So what is common noun? Name of things which are of the same kind. For example, dog. Dog is a common noun, right? But dog is a common noun. But when a special name is given to the dog, Tommy. So the word Tommy is written in capital letter. For example, as I told you, dog. And a special name given to this animal, dog, becomes a special name. We also call it as proper noun, okay? Tommy. Okay? So if a special name is given, it begins with capital letter. Like girl. Girl. Same kind, okay? Girl. So girl is a common noun. But a special name is given to any one particular girl, or special name of any of the particular or any one girl. Suppose Sandra. Name of a girl, special name, so it is written with capital S, right? So for example, day. It's a common noun. Special name of that day, Monday. Okay, so it's written in capital letter. So special names are written in capital letter and common names are in small letter, right? So common names are the names given to a person, place or thing of the same kind. Now, come, let's do the written work. So, children, we have finished the topic common names and special names. That is what? Common names and common nouns and special nouns. So, we have done the revision also. So, let us do this page, that is page 19. Page 19 as the classwork. Okay, so what you will write here? Classwork, CW, and the date. Fine. Okay, so let us read what it is given here, what it is asking us to do. Look at these words. Which words? The words here in this box. Okay, put the common names in table 1 and special names in table 2. So here you see table 1. We are going to write all the common names. We will choose from here. We will look for the common names from here and write it in table 1. And then special names, that is special noun, in table number 2. So let us begin. The word is mother. Mother, what do you think? Is a common name or a special name? It is a common name. So where we will write? We'll write under table 1. Okay, so mother is a common name. So we'll put a tick mark. Next is Appu. What do you think? Appu is a name, isn't it? And that will go under table 1 or 2. Table 2. Why? Because this is a special name and this begins with a capital letter. So, Appu will come under table 2. Right? That is special name. Okay, fine. Let's see the next one. The word clown. Clown is again a common noun. So, we will write clown under table 1. Next is horse. Right? And it the word begins with a small letter and there is no special name. So this again will be under table 1, that is common noun. So let's write horse under table 1. Next is Lata. Lata is a name of a person, isn't it? So the word begins with a capital letter and they will write this name under table 2. Special name. Right, so we have finished this. Let's move next. This is carpenter, right? And the word carpenter begins with small letter and it is a common name. No special name is given to any carpenter. So we'll write it where? Under table 1. Carpenter. Right, so we have finished with this. Now let's move. Okay, next is Ria. It's again a name of a girl, right? So, and it begins with capital letter. So, where we will write? Here, table 2, Ria. Fine, so we have finished with this. Next is Pilot. Pilot is a common name. There's no special name, okay? So, Pilot will come under table 1. Next is City. City again is a common name. Okay, so we write here common name under table 1. Next is Driver. Okay, driver. No special name is given to the driver. So this driver again will come on table 1. Next is Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai is a name of a special name of a city, right? Remember? So city is a common noun, common name, and Mumbai is a special name given to a city. And it begins with capital letters. So we will write where? Under table 2. Okay, fine. Next is Sania Mirza. Have you heard the name of this person? Yes, she's a very famous tennis player. Okay, so it's a special name of a person. So we will write under table 2. Sania Mirza. Okay. So it begins with capital S and capital M. Now let's move to next is Abhay, name of a person. So which table? Table 2. A capital. Okay. Abhay. Next is Brahmaputra. It's a name of a river. Okay. Then river becomes a common noun and it's a special name of a river and it begins with capital letter also, isn't it? So we will write where? Under table 2. Brahmaputra. Okay. Brahmaputra. Fine. Next is boy. Common name. Okay. No special name. But Abhay is a special name. Okay. So it's a special name and boy is a common noun. So we will write under table 1. Boy. Next is river. I told you river is a common name and Brahmaputra is a special name, isn't it? So river we will write under table 1. Next is Jawaharlal Nehru. It's a name of a person. You know what do we call Jawaharlal Nehru? Chacha Nehru. Okay. So we will write this under table 2. Jawaharlal Nehru, and we celebrate what? Children's Day. Okay. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. It is on 14th of November. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because he loved children. Okay. Next is blacksmith. Okay, it is a common name. So we will write under table 1. A blacksmith. Right? So children, we have finished this as classwork. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, bye.